Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Passwords and Security. Now you need to select Screen Lock over here and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds, just got it in the pop-up and create your login method. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it, and when you're ready, just confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to, you can always just add in this pop-up to add your fingerprint right away. I will go with cancel though. So now when I switch off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!